This is the 300 pack stickers for water bottles, and you know, you can use them for all kinds of stuff. They're super cute. I got them, we're gonna put some on water bottles, and then my son has a project that he needs to do, so we're gonna use some for that. So I love these stickers. They're fun, even for adults, to, you know, sift through them and then kind of pick which ones fit your style. And I mean, look at that, it's 300. It's a ton of stickers, and for the price, like, yeah, it's super worth it. So my son has to make kind of this poster board that's supposed to you know, have like your personality included in it. So there's lots of that you can choose from in here. My daughter loves these. She loves the you know, cute animal ones. There's just so many, and they're fun for kids, fun for adults. Yeah, 300 stickers. I'm not gonna count them, I believe it. Looks like 300 for me. Oh, look at that, look at little sleeping cat. Just super cute. So I have not tried to peel them off yet. If I can do it one-handed, then I would say that it's pretty easy. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it one-handed, but let's see. Yeah, look at that. If I can do it one-handed, then they're easy to get off. I'm gonna save this one because I think my daughter will like it. But I want to show you one that, here, we'll use this one. How it sticks, you know, what the adhesive is like. Let's see if I can do it again, or if that was a fluke. All right, hold on. Okay, we're back. Got it. Okay, so pretty sticky. We'll stick it on here, you know, because some stickers aren't great. Some stickers, you know, come off or don't seal well. This is not, you have to try real hard to get this off. So anyway, 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend. Super cute. You get a ton of stickers, lots to choose from. They're fun to use and fun for kids, adults, teenagers, whatever. So there you are.